So check this out. We've had nothing but explosive growth on this willow tree as of recently. We just finished mowing the lawn. We have all these grass clippings. So what better thing to do than to put those grass clippings on top of this whole mound of feed that we've been working on. Check out my last videos. You can see exactly what we've been doing here, but the willow tree is exploding with growth on every single tip, and the size is going to be massive before this year is done. It's going to be a lot bigger than what I was expecting it to be, which is perfect because we want to close in the front yard ever so beautifully. And this whole feeding program that we have is definitely coming along ever so nicely. So here's that small bit that we were looking at long ago and how far that's even made it as a testament for how well the tree is doing. Much love. Stay tuned. Chat soon. See ya.